go.
Specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability will normally be more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. Sometime Wednesday, when you are using a good quality receiver and good working order, to provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties. In southeast New York, Bronx, Kings, Nassau, New York, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Richmond, Rockland, Suffolk, and Westchester. In northern and central New Jersey, Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Huntington, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren. And in southwest Connecticut, Fairfield. Once again, this was only a test. The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. For today, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming south 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots this afternoon. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Wave detail, south 2 feet at 4 seconds and southeast 2 feet at 11 seconds. For tonight, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Seas